Alright guys, EKWB's Distro-Plate pump failure, part 2. Hey guys, Mike here. So guys, I'm going to give you guys a quick update on the Ekwb Distro-Plate, that DDC 3.1 that's failing on me, that has a coil line and making a clicking noise. Well, Landley did get back to me and reached out. They did go ahead and send me a replacement, but there's a problem, and let me show you guys what I mean. Don't mind the autofocus in and out, but check this out. So as you guys can see, if the camera has now focused on this thing, that they decided to send me out a whole entire new unit. Kudos to them. Thank you. But the problem is, this is the older version with the DDC 3.1 pump. So now I'm not going to go ahead and put another DDC 3.1 pump on the back of the Distro-Plate, knowing all the issues that a lot of us are having with it. And it's just not a great pump to begin with. And then considering that, you know, when EKWB and Landley came out with the reiteration of this thing, it comes with the DDC 3.2 pump. So what am I going to do? I am not sure. I might try to reach back out to Landley and see if they'll go ahead and send me out a DDC 3.2 pump, so I can just go ahead and just swap the pumps out. And if that's the case and they decide to do that, I can make a video and show you guys how that's done after I figure it out, because I've never done that before. Or there's option B, where I could just go into EKWB. I can buy the DDC 3.2 pump. I do believe off the top of my head it's between like 70 and 90 bucks US, and I can just buy it and be done with it and then swap them out myself. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but good thing about Landley sending me this thing is I'm not going to use it. I'm probably not going to build another water-cooled PC in the Landley o11d Dynamic. So that presents itself a great opportunity where I think I'm going to go ahead and do a giveaway with this thing, and you know, hopefully one of you guys can build something amazing with it. So you know, over the next couple weeks, I'll give you guys more details of how I'm going to go ahead and approach that. Excuse me, but I think it's a fantastic idea. So that's what I'll probably do with that. But man, I don't know why, you know, and I specifically said in the email that I sent Landley, you know, I stated, hey, you know, because they first, excuse me, let me just backtrack a little bit. So when I first sent them an email letting them know the issues that I was having, I got an email back from them stating that they'll go ahead and send me out a replacement if that's what I wanted. And I did write them back and say, you know, that's perfectly fine as long as you don't send me out the DDC 3.1, because I'm not going to replace a bad pump with a bad pump, as long as it's the DDC 3.2. But I never heard anything back from them, and then all of a sudden at my door, this thing arrives yesterday. So I guess I thought part 2 was going to be the end of it, but apparently this whole thing is going to be a trilogy, and it's going to be a part 3 when I decide on how I'm going to approach replacing this pump. So I will keep you guys updated on that. I will keep you guys updated on the giveaway and how I'm going to go ahead and do that with this. I've never done a giveaway before, so I got to figure that out. And so that's all I got for this one. Just an update on what's going on. So as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.